This is video 13, and this is the Rhondda Stonehenge. So Gareth, what I'd like you to do is do the outline and just wander around it. Sort of in a circle. So the Rhondda Stonehenge, probably a very large Cairn monument. So it's being walked out now. So start to move around. Yeah, this is it. Hendre Gelli, this is what we come up to see. And he's starting to walk around. There you go. Walking around. Yeah, it keeps going. As monuments go, this is fairly sizable when you think about it. So we start to get here. And we move around. And we start to keep going. So this is the monument, our Stonehenge. And then what we see this great depression in the ground. This absolutely huge depression in the ground. And yeah, you can see the uprights there, which would have created some kind of a kist. So obviously this is Bronze Age. This is fairly earlier in Bronze Age, probably around 4,100 years ago. And obviously we've got some of the curbstones sticking out. So this is going all eroded away. So this is a burial monument, but they call it the Rhondda Stone Circle. Video 13, as we sweep around. So what I'm going to do, there we go, that's absolutely excellent. So it sort of sweeps around here as well. So this is the Cairn monument, Rhondda Stone Circle, Stonehenge, the Rhondda Stonehenge. I'm being reminded by Maury and one. So it's a great video. So this is video 13. So thanks for watching. KARL-JAMES Langford in the Rhondda.